So let's say you wanted to utilize this split screen that we have. Okay, so this is very beneficial if you have to attend a Zoom or if you're watching a video or something, and maybe if you're like me, you like to type your notes more than you like to write them by hand, or you have a document that you need to work on while you're attending the Zoom or something like that. So if you just hover over this green dot right up here in the top left-hand corner of your browser, okay, options will pop up and you can make that to the left of your screen or to the right of your screen. And so if I put the video on the left, then any other window that I have open is going to pop up over here on the right. If you have more than one window or like a Pages document open, it will also show up here on the right side of the screen. And so I'm just going to choose that. And so now I can watch this video, and over here I can take any notes that I need to take. And I like that it automatically adjusts the size of each window so that it fits, and you're not trying to adjust that yourself and kind of waste that time on that. You can also choose, like if you don't want this to be half and half, if you want that to be smaller, like you can choose that as well. Or if you want your notes to be smaller and the video bigger, you can adjust that as well. And then when it's done and it's over and you're ready to stop doing the split screen, you're just going to hover over that green dot again. And you're just going to say exit full screen. You can also just do this, okay? Now here, if you have your multiple desktops set up like I do, you're going to have to scroll up with 3 fingers to get to this screen. And you're going to have to just kind of adjust it so that comes up, okay? To do that, it may be different on your computer. You may want to go to System Preferences and go to Trackpad. And this is the mission control. It's under More Gestures. So mine is just swipe up with 3 fingers, and I can see all of the pages that I have open, like every tab that I have open, every window that I have open. But yours might be different. So you might just want to check your system preferences, but you'll just need to minimize that because it will be up here in your mission control once you exit the split screen.